Hello everyone and welcome to the WilliamTopsTV community. The animal kingdom is a diverse and fascinating world that never ceases to amaze us, and within it are the reptiles, a family that includes crocodiles, snakes, turtles, and more. Today I will show you the 10 most dangerous reptiles in the world, which you surely wouldn't want to encounter. Let's get started. Number 10. King Cobra. The king cobra, which has one of the deadliest venoms of its kind. It takes just 30 minutes after its bite for a person to die. This snake mainly inhabits Southeast Asia and is considered one of the most dangerous due to its venom, which directly attacks the person's nervous system. Some of the symptoms of its bite are sharp pain, blurred vision, dizziness, drowsiness, and paralysis. If the victim is not treated, they will fall into a coma and die from respiratory failure. The king cobra is a large snake that can grow up to 6 meters long, although the common length is between 1.5 and 2 meters. Its coloration is usually brown or yellowish, but what distinguishes them are the scales on their head, which are often black. Additionally, it is considered one of the largest venomous snakes and has the characteristic of being very aggressive, although studies have shown that they try to flee from humans when approached. Number 9. Saltwater Crocodile. The saltwater crocodile, also known as the marine crocodile, is one of the largest reptiles in the world, and its size, along with its bite, makes it extremely dangerous. It inhabits swampy areas from Southeast Asia to northern Australia and can grow up to 7 meters in length and weigh up to 1,500 kilograms. Its bite is considered the most powerful of any animal, capable of exerting a pressure of 1,770 kilograms. Due to its size and strength, many people have been attacked by them, including a group of 980 soldiers who were in a swampy area during World War II and were devoured by these reptiles. They are also considered top predators within their natural habitat. Number 8. Komodo dragon. The Komodo dragon is an incredibly fascinating and feared lizard due to its large size and natural predatory abilities. It is considered the world's largest lizard, measuring up to 3 meters in length and weighing up to 70 kilos. This reptile has the ability to immobilize its prey using toxins present in its saliva. From there, it uses its sharp teeth to feed, which means that it does not kill its prey immediately, but leaves it immobilized to satisfy its hunger later. To hunt, Komodo dragons use camouflage techniques and approach their prey stealthily. They often attack large animals such as wild boars or buffaloes, which demonstrates their power at the top of the food chain. Although there have been few recorded cases of Komodo dragon attacks on humans, they have occurred. In 2007, one of these lizards attacked a child on the island of Komodo, who unfortunately died due to the loss of a lot of blood. This was the first recorded fatal attack in 33 years, which demonstrates the importance of being cautious when visiting the natural habitat of these animals. Number 7. Alligator snapping turtle. The alligator snapping turtle, also known as the alligator snapper, is one of the largest freshwater turtle species in the world. This turtle can measure between 60 and 80 centimeters and weigh up to 100 kilograms. Although the idea of a dangerous turtle may seem absurd, the bite of this species makes it an unsafe animal. The jaw strength of the alligator snapping turtle can reach up to 158 kilograms, which is powerful enough to take off a person's hand. Although the alligator snapping turtle is a carnivorous reptile, its diet is very broad and it feeds on many other animals, such as fish, amphibians, birds, and mammals. Its bite allows it to hunt, although it does not actively hunt by nature. Number 6. Reticulated python. The reticulated python is a snake known for being the largest in the world, capable of reaching up to 8 meters in length and weighing up to 250 kilograms in the wild. Despite its dangerous appearance, it is not known to have lethal venom, but its mouth equipped with nearly 100 teeth makes it a fearsome predator. Its hunting technique is stealthy, but once it is close to its prey, it launches itself and strangles it with its large body. Although this snake does not have lethal venom, its teeth can be dangerous as they allow it to retain its victims. The reticulated python lives in tropical, wooded, and semi-arid grassy environments with abundant vegetation in southern and southeastern Asia. Like many snakes, they are solitary animals and avoid contact with humans. Number 5. Inland Taipan. The Inland Taipan is one of the most venomous snakes on the planet and lives in the central regions of Australia. Its venom is 50 times more lethal than that of the cobra and can kill 100 people with a single bite. It is a shy and discreet reptile, so encounters with humans are rare. Its diet is based on small predators such as rodents, birds, and rats. In addition to its lethal venom, the Inland Taipan also has a particularly interesting behavior. Unlike other venomous snakes that usually bite and then wait for their prey to die, the Inland Taipan is known to attack multiple times, injecting more venom with each bite and ensuring that its prey is completely immobilized before devouring it. This behavior has been observed especially in its favorite prey, small rodents. Despite its dangerousness, Inland Taipans are not usually aggressive towards humans, and encounters are rare due to their isolated habitat in Central Australia. However, if you ever find yourself in their territory, it is important to maintain a safe distance and not disturb these impressive reptiles. Before continuing, don't forget to leave your like and subscribe. We also invite you to activate the notification bell so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos. Number 4. Blue-tongued lizards. One of the most interesting and striking reptiles, these reptiles are native to Australia and are often popular as pets due to their unique appearance and calm personality. Although blue-tongued lizards are harmless to humans, they can be dangerous to small animals they hunt, such as insects and rodents. These lizards are also known for their ability to defend themselves against predators with their bites and strong jaws. In addition, blue-tongued lizards are one of the few reptiles that can produce a variety of different sounds, including whistles and grunts, making them even more fascinating. It should be noted that although these lizards are not venomous, it is important to keep in mind that as pets, they require specialized care and attention to ensure their health and well-being. Number 3. Bothrops asper. Bothrops asper is a species of viper that has an extremely toxic venom and is famous for being responsible for causing most of the deaths from snake bites throughout South America. This snake is also known as the Fer-de-Lance and lives on the island of Martinique, although it can also be found in Mexico and even in Brazil. Bothrops asper can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, plantations, and streams. They have an average length of 2 meters and are primarily active at night, using their heat-sensitive pits to find prey ranging from mammals like opossums and rodents to larger lizards and amphibians. These snakes are experts at hiding their presence and using their camouflage scales to blend in with their surroundings, allowing them to attack with venomous bites that quickly kill their prey. They often live near plantations, farms, and other inhabited areas, increasing the risk of encounters with humans. Bothrops asper are known to be aggressive and difficult to see, as they are coiled up in the grass during the day. Therefore, it is important to exercise caution when walking in areas with high grass density and, in general, avoid handling or disturbing these snakes. In case of a bite, it is essential to seek medical attention immediately to avoid serious complications. Number 2. Blue coral snake. The blue coral snake, also known by its scientific name Calliopus bivirgatus, is a venomous species found in Asia. It is the largest coral snake in the world, reaching over 1 meter in length, and is considered one of the most dangerous. Blue coral snakes are nocturnal and can crawl into homes after dark. Their coloration can vary from black to light brown or dark brown with irregular white markings, but they are usually recognized by their very shiny scales and the white and black bands or rings along their body. Although the blue coral snake is not aggressive by nature, it can bite if it feels threatened. When it feels in danger, it curls its tail into a tight spiral and shows its anger with a pair of short fangs that release a potent venom. The symptoms of a bite can vary, but usually include intense pain, swelling, and numbness in the affected area. If not treated in time, a blue coral snake bite can be deadly. Number 1. Matamata turtle. The Matamata turtle, also known as Matamata, is easily identifiable by the small bumps on its head and neck, which gives it its scientific name, Chelys fimbriatus. This species is known for its impressive camouflage that allows it to blend in with fallen leaves on the bottom of rivers and streams. Although its bite is extremely powerful, even more so than that of a human, some people prefer it as an exotic pet. The Matamata turtle is found in several South American countries, including Bolivia, Brazil, Colombia, Ecuador, Peru, and Venezuela. It inhabits ponds, lakes, and other slow-moving aquatic areas with muddy bottoms and plenty of vegetation. It is a nocturnal reptile that blends perfectly into its surroundings. Like many turtles, it can hold its breath for long periods of time. When it needs to breathe, its narrow snout acts as a built-in diving apparatus that allows it to take air from the surface. The Matamata turtle feeds on a variety of small animals, including toads, snails, worms, crustaceans, birds, and other small-sized creatures. It is important to note that although it is a fascinating species, it is not recommended to have it as a pet, as its natural habitat is aquatic and it may require specialized care. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating tour of the 10 most dangerous reptiles in the world. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new about these fascinating animals. If you like the video, don't forget to comment and subscribe for more exciting content in the future. Until next time, thank you for watching.